Welcome to Technically You, where we talk about tech that's transforming the way we live, drive, and even park. Today, we're talking about something you probably didn't know could go digital: license plates.
You mean those metal rectangles on the back of your car? What could possibly be smart about that?
Oh, buckle up. Because license plates just got an upgrade, we're diving into the world of digital license plates: what they are, how they work, why states are starting to use them, and what the future might look like when even your bumper gets a software update.
All right, hit me with the basics. What even is a digital license plate?
At a glance, a digital license plate looks like a sleek, high-tech eye-ink display mounted where a traditional metal plate would go. But behind that screen is a lot of smart tech. These plates are connected, customizable, and interactive.
So, like a Kindle for your bumper?
That's not far off. Most current digital plates use e-ink displays, like the kind used in e-readers, because they're readable in sunlight and energy efficient.
By the way, what is e-ink?
Oh, e-ink, also known as electronic ink or electronic paper, is a type of display technology known for its low power consumption and visual similarity to ink on paper.
Okay, so how do they work and how are they made?
Digital plates are manufactured with ruggedized materials that can survive extreme weather. Internally, they contain an et-ink screen, a microcontroller, cellular connectivity, GPS tracking, and sometimes Bluetooth or RFID. They're powered either by your car's electrical system or a rechargeable battery, depending on the model.
And who makes these things?
Right now, the major player is a company called Reviver. They offer two versions: a battery power model for rear plates and a wired model for front and rear setups. The plate itself is tied to a back-end system that syncs with state DMV databases.
So, what's the point of making your license plate digital? Does it play TikToks or something?
Not quite, but here's what it can do: real-time registration updates, no more peeling off stickers every year; stolen vehicle alerts that display stolen on the plate; toll and parking integration; custom messages for fleet vehicles, just keep it clean; vehicle tracking, trip logging, and telematics. For fleets, digital plates offer mass management features like remote renewal and reporting.
Okay, I'll admit, that's kind of cool. So, what other benefits are available?
Oh, the big advantages? Let's break it down. Convenience: no physical DMV visits for renewals; theft deterrence, real-time alerts and GPS tracking; safety: emergency alerts, Amber alerts, or law enforcement messages can be displayed; and customization: logos, tags, and fleet IDs can be updated remotely.
So, your plate can actually talk to the world now?
Exactly. You could even set a message like smog check due or lease vehicle.
Okay, it can do a lot, but what are the downsides?
Glad you asked. Some of the big concerns are cost. These plates can cost $600, 0 cents plus a monthly subscription fee. Privacy. They include GPS tracking, which makes people nervous about surveillance. Security. Like any connected device, they're potentially hackable. Durability. Even though they're built tough, any screen can fail in extreme conditions.
Yeah, imagine your license plate crashing during rush hour. Sorry, officer, I had a software update.
Not ideal, but certainly funny.
Now, let's dig into that GPS and hacking stuff. What's being done to keep these plates safe?
To mitigate security breaches, the digital plate manufacturers implemented end-to-end encryption, tamper detection, cloud authentication, and they provide regular firmware updates. Also, GPS data is protected under strict privacy policies and is only accessible under legal or authorized circumstances. Still, transparency and oversight are critical moving forward.
All right, future me, what's next for this tech?
In the future, we could see integration with smart traffic systems, plates that change color for law enforcement or alerts, eco-driving feedback, integration with EV charging networks, and more global adoption in countries with high-tech vehicle standards. More states are starting pilot programs. California, Arizona, and Michigan have legalized them. with more expected to follow.
So we're headed toward a future where even your license plate has a software patch?
That's the idea. It's not just about ID anymore, it's about connectivity, compliance, and control.
So what should our listeners remember?
Digital license plates are a big leap in vehicle identity and management. They offer convenience, safety, and interactivity, but they also raise important conversations about cost, privacy, and data governance.
So would I get one? Maybe. Would I watch it like a hawk for glitches? Absolutely.
That is a smart move. Folks, thanks for listening to today's Technically You podcast. Subscribe and let us know. Would you go digital with your license plate?
Or are you sticking with the old metal and sticker lifestyle? See you next time, and stay curious.